So ta-da! So this is all custom design and built, the height and everything. You can use for sitting. For these homeowners, it's actually going to be used for the cats. So Juan here is working on redoing the bathroom. Hello design enthusiasts, and welcome back. We are today in Fairlington, Virginia. It's a neighborhood within the Arlington, Virginia area, right on the cusp between Alexandria and Arlington. It's a historic neighborhood from the 40s, and we've done a lot of projects in this neighborhood. This particular project, I think it's the first time you guys are probably going to see it, but believe it or not, we've been working on it for 3 years. So we've pretty much done everything top to bottom, including creating a room in the attic space, actually a whole suite in the attic space. So the house is still somewhat under construction and there's a lot of mess, but hopefully we can see some of the features. And the next time we're going to be here, it's definitely going to be finally the grand reveal. I think after 3 years, it's time to be done with this project, as much as I love my client and that project. So let's go in. All right. All right, so again, welcome to Fairlington, Virginia, and this is Clarendon 2. Which is a full townhouse with 3 levels with an attic, and there's a lot of units now that are converting the top floor also into a full unit, and I'm really excited about what we managed to squeeze into that space. It was really truly exercise in creating small living for our client. But as I said, we started this project almost 3 years ago, remodeling every little beat of this place. So the place was already repainted a couple of times. It's finally clear. We refinished the floor, the existing floor. Probably going to need to refinish again. We removed the trims from the window to create a little bit more of contemporary look, which is more of the style of the homeowners. And we're going to have beautiful window treatments, but I'm not putting them in until we actually have all the dust and everything out of here. So, and what they wanted to do is they actually converted all this space that is normally the family room to be the dining area and the welcome area. So then this way they have connection to the kitchen, and they moved all the entertainment area down to the basement. So here you can see these walls, like everybody else, this is pretty standard in this unit, is moving these walls around in order to accommodate the refrigerator to be on the back side of it. We ended up with a really originally ugly vent cover, and so I was looking for other options what to do, because really it's the first thing that you see when you walk in. So was really excited when we found Pacific Metal that does really beautiful custom metal work, and I think it works out perfectly. So all right, so as I said, everything is a bit mess, so just take it with a grain of salt. This is the kitchen. Again, the kitchen was very small. There was the regular Clarendon unit. You have a wall over here, creates a very closed, enclosed galley kitchen, and we open it up, took it down. Now we have a beautiful area over here that has plenty of additional storage. We have a bench that can use for sitting. For these homeowners, it's actually going to be used for the cats. So they have a lot of cats, and there's actually outlets under the bench, and there it's going to be used as all the feeding stations for the cats are going to be under here. So if you walk around with me to here, you can see there's a beautiful island with plenty of sitting, and then you can see the rest of the kitchen. This is a beautiful Japanese inox tile. I'm really excited. It brings a pop of color into the kitchen. And this is, of course, the dishwasher. So when we do have appliances so close together, I really prefer to have something that is going to be paneled, so then we only get to see one appliance and the rest of it looks like the rest of the kitchen. So I'm really loving how it all came out. That was the old ugly vent that was there. So say no to ugly vents. Oops, sorry about the noise. All right, let's go down, take a look. I am warning you, it's already full of stuff of the homeowners that was moved from the top floor. But again, this is going to be the family room over here. There's a beautiful bar here, I promise you. We have a floating shelf. We're redoing the backsplash. There's LED lighting over here, and you'll get to see it eventually. So the couch is going to go around this area. The TV is already going to be mounted over here, and we have a beautiful Murphy door that also had open shelving, but this is actually where the utility room is going to be. There is, oh my goodness, like it's so hard to show you everything, guys, but this is going to be the backsplash on the bar. So I think it's going to be really beautiful with all the colors. There's different colors and additional color. We have this beautiful tile floor, which works really nicely because it's a basement. And there's a nook over there that's going to be for the cat's poop machine, whatever you call those. Come on over and just be careful. We closed this wall. This was used to be open, and we closed it to create a bedroom over here. We still kept it with an opaque door glass just to create more transparency, not transparency, but transfer of light with privacy. And the back wall is going to have, oh my goodness, yeah, this is crazy. The back wall is going to have these beautiful panels on the back, so we can cover the old electrical box that no longer exists. This is going to be painted. And sorry guys, I was going to show you that bathroom and the secondary laundry, but it's just not happening right now. So you're gonna trust me that it's beautiful, and I'm gonna show it to you next time. So let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. So here's gonna be the same railing, modern railing like upstairs. So obviously they had to take it off so they can refinish the flooring here. Let's see what's happening on the second floor. So again, I wanted to show you the beautiful bathroom here. But there's stuff everywhere. So anyway, this bathroom was remodeled. There's a little bit magic in here because in those units, because all the pipe goes up and down, this wall here is a little bit thicker than the normal. So the cabinets might look like they're only 18 inches deep, but they're actually much deeper because they go all the way in the back. So if you open this, you will see that it's actually way deeper. So we kind of cheated the depth to create a little bit more storage for the homeowner. And those are this beautiful oak cabinetry. There's a beautiful shower here. You guys gonna have to believe me. This is the laundry that is waiting for hardware. So there's another set of laundry over here because they wanted to make sure that they don't have to go 4 stores down to do the laundry. This is one of the rooms that is really just, that's going to be, it's the smallest room in the house. It's just going to be repainted. Come on in, and we're going to have custom closets here with a beautiful sliding metal doors. So I'm really excited for all this to come really, really soon. That was already on order. And same thing here, we're gonna have another custom closet and sliding, beautiful sliding contemporary this. So now we are walking into the primary suite. Again, we wanted to put a door here mostly for noise and a little bit of a privacy, but there was no reason for it to have any privacy. So it is just glass. And again, it's just really for noise when there is other people hosted in here. And of course, this is the space under the stairs, so it turned out to be perfect. Extra little storage space. So I don't think we decided how we're going to close it yet, but we'll get to it. So let's go and see what's happening here. All right, Juanito. Okay. What is happening here? Oh my goodness. So, all right, so Juan here is working on redoing the bathroom and retile everything. We had some issues here that it was built incorrectly and there was a big threshold. This bathroom should have been completely curbless. You see, it's a really, really small bathroom. It's literally European sizes, so there was just absolutely no way to keep that big threshold in there. It made no sense. So Juan did an amazing job. I think it's the third time you're retiling this bathroom, Juan. Yeah. So, but he did a really amazing job. There's a really great recessed medicine cabinet with lighting, floating vanity, a floating toilet as well. And when everything is going to be said and done, it's going to be beautiful. So if you walk around with me, I think we have a niche here for the TV. So, because there's not going to be a lot of room, probably about 36 inches to the bed space. So I wanted to have the TV niched so it's not taking out of the walking space. But I think some of the closet is already ready. So let me go and show you what's happening here. So, ta-da! So again, same thing is happening here. So this is all custom design and built, the height and everything. This is going to be their main closet, and we're actually going to be adding sensor-driven light. So we have actually more light in that space. So once you open the drawer, the light is going to come out, and all these drawers are pushed to open. So again, because this space is so small, I really didn't want any additional hardware as much as possible. Here is going to be a custom metal L shape that will have all the hanging going on. And this cabinet is actually going to go into this opening, and it's going to be on wheels, and they're going to be using for shoes. And then it's also, and the reason it's going to be on for wheels, it's A, it's going to give it storage, but B, they need to access the bathroom, all the plumbing, and additional storage in the back that is easy to move out from here. So I'm excited about that. Here, again, super hard to show you is opening from the top, and that is going to be for laundry. And then you can come and see here, this is going to be the long hanging with some shelving on top. So this is going to be the main closet. I'm really excited that we managed to fit all that closet in here. Again, another great piece of storage that we designed for them. That again, it's push to open, so no hardware necessary. And the idea was that it's all going to be flush the same line together. And here is going to be a custom bed that we designed for them, a custom nook, again, paneling, and this is going to be the cat suite where they put all the cat food boxes and all that stuff. So again, this project is coming along. We're almost there. There was a lot of different changes that we needed to do as we come along and to fix things. These are these super cool lights that are going to be the night light for the bed. So you have some extra light, but then it also goes in. So really excited. They just literally turn on when you open them, and they blend into the wall. So this is it. So hopefully next time we come here, guys, we are going to have the grand reveal. We're almost there. I promise you. I'm excited, but we're almost there. And until next time, you know where to find us. www.AKG Design Studio, or on YouTube, Design Tips and Sips. And come along for the ride.